Want to treat your loved ones with a very special gift for their birthday? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a birthday video with photos and music. All you'll need is some pictures, video clips, and a convenient slideshow maker. We'll be using SmartSHOW 3D, powerful and user-friendly slideshow software. Run the software and choose the Slideshow in 5 minutes option. Here you'll find ready-made templates for different occasions. Just pick the one you like, and the software will show you the recommended number of pictures for this template. Add your pictures and click Next. Now choose the music theme for your slideshow. Either add the birthday girl's favorite song or pick a tune from the built-in collection. Once your slideshow is ready, it's time to personalize it. Let's change the title first. Right-click on the title slide and select Edit Text. Type in your own slideshow title. Click Apply and hit the Preview button to see the result. Want to add more pictures? Let's insert a slide with a collage in it. Switch to the Collages tab, select the one you like, and simply drag it to the timeline. Add your pictures. Click on Edit Slide to make some custom changes. Replace the default background with your own. Select a new color, gradient, texture, image, or even a video. Add your wishes. Click on the caption layer, change the text, and adjust its settings. Want to add videos to your slideshow? Let's look at 2 ways to do it. The first one works best when you want to add a small clip and some embellishments to it. Right-click on the timeline and select Insert New Slide. Go to the slide editor, hit Add Layer, and choose Video. Add your video, pick the background color, and add a border. Now let's add some fun effect, for example, bubbles. You'll find it under Slide Effects. Adjust the number of bubbles and their size, and hit the Preview button. Click Save when done. Another way to insert a video is simply drag it to the timeline. Let's add an animated text and moving clouds effect. Click on Edit Slide and choose Add Layer. Select Animated Text. Pick the way your letters will appear on the slide. Choose a style and hit Add to Slide. Type in your text and adjust the settings. Now let's add a colorful cloud effect to the slide. Preview and save the result. Want to send your wishes not only with text? Then add voice comments to your slideshow. Switch to the timeline mode and double-click to start recording. Add the audio file to your slideshow. Move the recording to the moment it should start. To fine-tune the volume, use audio points. Add them to turn down the music while the voice comment is playing. Preview your slideshow from the beginning for a final check. Go back to the first slide and hit play. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Create Video button, pick a suitable format, and save your video. Now you know how to make a happy birthday video. Download SmartSHOW 3D for free from the official website and get started now.